All right, guys, so this is the next day, which I guess is a good thing. It gave me time to think and brainstorm. I guess the good thing would be, the only thing I think of is we're actually gonna manhandle this. We already had one oopsie on this lawnmower. I'm really not trying to have another, but I think this is the best route in which we're gonna have to pry this out. That's the only way I could think of. It doesn't make any sense that we have to take apart this whole handle. So as you guys can see, I have a set of needle nose vice grips. They're long and skinny. So we are just going to work our way in there, and we're just gonna clamp it on the bar. There's the plan. And then kind of, can we go this way? Yeah, let's go this way, because we have more leverage here. We're actually gonna go to this side here. Okay, and then we're gonna just pry, we hope. Well, the bar has to move with it, so let's, yeah, this is gonna be the best route for sure. We're just gonna have to muscle this. I mean, I can't think of any other way. Might have to get two sets of vice grips, because we'll use one to push, because these vice grips are maybe slipping. So we're going to maybe here push this. We'll pry. No, we can't do that either. I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm wrong. This has to. There we go. You see that? Yes. Woo! All right. We didn't have to manhandle this. Nothing has to break. See that right there? That is exactly what we have to do. You guys can see that gap. See that gap? That's exactly what we need to do. This is an actually really easy repair. All right. Let's pop this. Oh, I just jinxed myself. Oh no. All right, off camera. Let's get this out. All right. So, look what we have here. This is out completely. Here is our new spring. Okay, we know that this spring has to hook like so. So let's take this out. All right, this bar hooks here, and then we know the spring has to hook in here somewhere. And then the snap, and then it has to snap back into place here. So not too bad. So the way that this came out is the same way it has to go back in, as far as this. That goes in there. Yep, this is a spring. We could always put this into place. So let's, golly, man. We're almost home. Don't like doing repairs like this, but I can't think of another way except for this way. I'm gonna break this. What are the chances are we're gonna break this spring? Or the camera. Something is gonna break. 1, 2. We gotta just manhandle this in. Why didn't you? You know, it's so much easier when you had a base to. I am straddling the handlebar so the mower doesn't move. We just gotta get this mother in there. Or I don't want to screw this up either. Spring don't go in. Let's try, maybe we'll get a pry bar in there too. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to make this simple. You know what I mean? I'm getting a pry bar. I'm pivoting off the vice grips. Oh, you mother. Oh, you mothers. I forgot when you have a microphone, you can't say certain things that you normally would. This is going to be tricky. This is going to be tricky. It's always easier coming out. Oh, come on. Okay, that's progress. We're making progress. Oh yeah, we're in. Uh-oh. Mess that up. Yeah, I'm not redoing the shot. I really just manhandled this. Okay, now let's set this spring up. Okay. You guys can see here, this goes right into here. Now, if we look at the lawnmower, all right, we established this here. See this? Now we need to get this hook in. And the best way to just get this hook in is this hole right here. Right? Or maybe not. Because that's the only way I could think of. You know, we didn't know because this is broken. Alrighty, so thank God I have two of these. Actually, yeah, well, three. I bought another one. We're going to make the ultimate lawnmower, and we're actually going to keep it. Another video for another day. We have to get through these two first. So anyway, I was completely wrong. You want to guess where this goes? It goes right up here. So let's... There's no way. Did I do this wrong? Oh, no. Oh, no. That goes in here. And then this gets... Oh, my Lord. How are we gonna get that in there? See that? That gets bent in here. See that? Now we have a spring. But they have it all the way up inside right there. So we have to kind of get that in and drive me nuts. Now look. Now it returns. And that's what we're looking for. Alright, so we're going to try and change camera angles so you guys could hopefully see this. Come on. Alright, we're switching up camera angles. Hopefully you guys can pick this up. If you can't, look at your lawnmower. Okay, see this here? There's three edges right here where the spring wants to go. Okay? We actually need to get this spring behind this ledge, the flat part. If you can't see it in the video, I'm sorry. Go out to your lawnmower after this video and just look for the flat piece. That we're going to need to line up and get this thing in there the way it should be. And after that, it's like home sweet home, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So we're just gonna get a pair of pliers, right? And you gotta get it behind this flip, this flat part, and then it goes right inside. Ooh, you see that? You hear that? You better heard that. You see that? Now it's folding in. Now check this out. Wham! This is the way it should be. You see that? Now, remember when we used to hold the self-propelled? It would have to stay down. We'd have to physically pull it back. The lawnmower would still stay in drive. Now, it auto ejects and automatically disengages the transmission. So you don't have to worry about the lawnmower running away. Because remember, this has a blade clutch. So when you let go of the bail cable, the lawnmower doesn't stop. This is beautiful. So let's get this back in here where that belongs, because that's for another video. And then we will do one more shot. All right, guys, here is the top view. Remember? Personal pace, engage, rapid speed. Remember, the harder you push down the handle, the faster it goes. Look at that. Automatically disengage. All right, guys, part 3, we're going to be tackling my oopsie. It happens. We are going to be replacing the clutch cable on this lawnmower. We have an idea of what it is to replace this clutch cable because we had to repair the clutch, unfortunately. This is my fault. But, you know, it is what it is. So, anyway. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. And don't forget, the missus and I, we go live every Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I was looking for something. Where'd it go? Maybe this will be my thumbnail. All right, guys. Later.